Believe it or not, we have 4 sidebars here. First, on the left, toolbar, also known as T sidebar, because we can press the T key to open and close it. Or we can click this little arrow icon. The second one on the right. This is known as the N sidebar, because we can press the N key to open and close it. Or we can click this little arrow icon. And don't forget that we can also drag them in and out. Very cool. The third one is at the top, also known as header. We can close it by right-clicking and unchecking Show Header. And click this little arrow icon to open it. You can toggle this header to top or bottom as you like. That's it. Very simple. Very powerful. The last one is at the bottom. I call it the one-time settings bar. It only appears if you do something that requires some initial settings. For example, when you add objects to the scene. Here, you only have one chance to change the values. Once you've clicked out of it, you can't do it again. However, you can press the F9 key to call it back one more time. Some other editors also have sidebars like the 3D Viewport editor. Try to press the N key in every editor you work with to learn it. Yes. You got the idea.